Guys, today we're doing a try not to laugh challenge about birds. So basically the rules are, here's funny gaming beast guy, check his channel out.
Gaming beast.
Oh, and if this video gets 3 likes, then I will do an episode 2 of this, by the way. So, shut up. So basically, the rules are if I laugh 3 times, or he does, then basically the video stops and he loses and I win. So, you ready?
Yeah, I won't laugh.
Okay. You sure? You laughed. That was a laugh.
That wasn't a laugh.
That was a laugh.
That wasn't.
That was a laugh.
No, that wasn't. I was just like,
you went. So that's you're on 2 lives.
No, Ron, I
Put the scoreboard onto 2 lives. I'll edit that in. You're on 2 lives.
Okay, you laugh.
You're in 1 life though, and I'm
No,
in 2.
I was just like,
That's a laugh. Right, I'm on 2. He's on 1. Editor. That was another laugh. Oh my god. Okay, I'm on 1 life. He's on 1 life. Oh my god.
He's just looking in the mirror. He's so dumb. Camouflage or something.
That's really good camouflage though. Well, that's just helpful, man.
God, what's a good goal? Yes, I win.
No, this guy is so funny. He's so funny.
Yay! And it's only been 1 minute 25 seconds in, and I've already won.
Second round from now. 3 lives is on 1 set. Play it like tennis, okay?
We still
Do
have
tennis.
8 more minutes.
Wow, that's just dank. I put the guy who made these videos in the description, by the way.
No, you won't.
So good, I know how to. That's just random. Why are they stamping their feet?
This guy definitely edited it.
Yeah. Whoa, that bird is like losing his mind.
Let me smash. Please.
I see okay, I'm gonna do this. We need a replay of that.
Hey, you're in 1 life now.
No, I was replaying it, weren't I? Shake your head. Okay, that's just one. I'm in 2 lives.
You said shake my head.
Well,
It's
not your head. Whatever.
You're so dumb.
You need to cut that out, editor. And that's just a hyper bird.
You're dumb. You're stupid.
Wait, is he using the force or something?
Yeah, do it. Oh my god, you're already on 1 life and I haven't even laughed.
What was that?
What do you mean, what was that? That wasn't funny at all.
It was.
Now you've got funny vibes in here. zombie Pokemon. They definitely edited that, I swear.
Oh no.
You know? Yes, I win again!
Okay, if you win the next one, then I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Well, I just win. So then you end the video, right?
Like for more content.
Going to school is dead.
Well, that's just rude.
Please. Are you seriously not getting us?
Oh my god, this guy's a ninja.
Yeah, that's just
James Bond.
Ninja! Hello,
He's like
Ninja.
Paddington going downstairs.
That is definitely not edited. That's just...
Aren't we both on 3 lives now?
Yeah. I'm definitely adding... I'm cutting that out.
Were you last? So.
No, I didn't. It's a cut-out part anyway. That was a laugh.
That wasn't a laugh! Oh my god.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Now that's just mean.
I've come to talk
You might want to cut that out.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You aren't doing a catwalk.
That guy's so happy.
It's kind of good to see.
Who's that?
Is that a pigeon? Oh no, it isn't.
Oh my god, this guy's awesome.
That music in the background.
Can you please get off my computer?
When you're a dad to 50 children.
No. Is this trying not to cry?
Oh, that's just sad. That's just... This guy.
I hate this music.
Now that's edited.
I know. Why is he doing it for so long?
Oh, that's cool.
He must be trained.
Or you just doing some...
Like, why does the music work with the parrot so well?
I bet this guy spent like 5 hours trying to do this.
Is that a golf ball?
Ah, no.
Morning. You're not this guy again.
It's the exact same parrot. We both laughed and that was like, so cool. Okay. 2-1.
Wait, that wasn't a laugh.
Well, before, so it's 2-1 then.
What? I didn't laugh.
What? Again, is this meant to be a try not to cry challenge? Like, this guy. Oh, this is.
Then what's in it? Hello, fella. G'day, fellas.
Nah, that's just an evil laugh.
Edited. But this guy likes entertaining.
won. You laughed. You turned off the camera. Oh, you lost then. But
I didn't laugh.
Okay, on the sets it's 2-1. This is the final round.
laugh.
Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to, like, if I win this run or we run out of time, I'm gonna have to, like, find another video. So. That's just. That should be the new intro for BBC News.
Hello. Hi.
Right, is that edited?
Hello. Hi.
No, that's not edited.
Working out.
No, that's just an amazingly trained bird. Right, because it's... Oh no, at the end of the video, Theo won. No. Okay, so here's our winner. Have you got anything to say?
He needs to do a forfeit.
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't.
You lost. There you go.
No, all Theo gets for winning is... No, wait, seriously, do I have to do a forfeit?
Yes.
What is it?
30 press-ups.
Press up.
I mean sit-ups.
Sit-ups, okay. Okay, you get the camera.
Oh god, did you just get my face cam?
Eh.
You need to get it so they can see me.